Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss what is a callback function. We'll write here callback, what is it? And we'll see practically how the callback works. A callback function is a function that is passed to another function as an argument and is executed after some operation is complete. Okay, so let us see this practically. So now I'll write function testCallback. Alright, this is a simple function I'm writing. Now here the testCallback, we have to make it as a function. Okay, so I'll write a callback here. So I'm calling the callback as a parameter. So it's passed to another function as an argument. Okay, so callback is an argument here. Okay, now here I'll write console.log. I'm executed first. Okay, now here I'll call the callback function. Okay, now here the test callback, I'll use the test callback here, and I'll use of function console.log I am executed or executed at second position. Okay, so before executing this, let me explain this. Okay, so I have a function which is calling a function. That function is a callback. Callback, I am calling it here. So now this will be executed first, this first line. Okay, here it goes inside the function which is a callback here. So now it goes inside this. So here it says I am executed first, then goes to callback, and then this executed. Okay, so let us see the answer. So I'm executed first, then it's a callback, I'm executed in second position. So callback is a function that is passed to another function as an argument, and it is executed after some operation is completed. Okay, so this is the first operation. Okay, and this is the second operation. Okay, let us add more twist to it. So let me write this as a scenario 1. Let me copy this and comment it. So I'll write a scenario 2 here. So I'll write a scenario 2. Okay, so in scenario 2, let me take an array. So I'll write array equal to, or maybe in small, arr. So ar equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm taking a simple array, and here, as I wrote first to understand it more properly, so I'll pass an array here before the callback function. Okay, so I'll write ar here, comma, as an argument, and I'll write ar. You know, arrays are also an object in JavaScript. So I'll write push, so we can get methods here. What I want to push, I want to push 10. Okay, and after the execution is over, I want to write here console.log of ar, and I want to pop it, and I want to write console.log of ar to understand it better. Okay, so what happens here? So test callback is calling a function. I have to pass an array here also. Then this function is calling the callback function. I am executed first, and ar is pushed. So the array will have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10. Then it is popped. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now let me execute this. So now I am executed first, and then it pushes it. Or maybe I can add this one here, so understand it better. Okay, let me execute this from the beginning. Yeah, now I can execute it. So I'm executed first, then we are doing a push. The array is having a values of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10. Then this is executed, then it pops, then we have 1, 2, 3. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.